Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. So today we have Mr. Chintan with us from Sunchaser. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you. Hello.
Sir, can you let us know about Sunchaser and the products you are offering in this REI 2025?
So Sunchaser, we are a structure manufacturer. The name itself says Sunchaser Structures, and we are the market leader in tracker systems as an Indian company and as a number of locations throughout the India. We have more than 100 tracker locations installed and up and running successfully in India. We are 100% Indian origin company, as well as we do 100% manufacturing also in India. That we everything do in-house. We are offering the tracker at a very best competitive price, but it's also about the at the end service support and the long-term reliability of the tracker. Here we are demonstrating our newest version of the tracker, which is called Airawat, the divine elephant. And this is a multi-point fix tracker system, which is at the stow position 0 degree. And second product, what we are offering there is a Varaha, and that is a single axis tracker, but single drive system.
If I talk about technology, what technology are you using in your products?
So the technology as such, not a big differentiator for the tracker systems, but yes, what it differentiates is the concept. So what we have the concept is a 0 degree stow position. So when there is a high wind scenario, when there is a storm upcoming, then the modules will be rotate and place them at a horizontal to the ground, so that it encounters the least amount of the wind pressure, as well as it is much more safer on higher wind load times. And to achieve that 0 degree stow position, we have to do is a multi-point locking. And so here you can see that we have the two actuators here, which is a demonstration. So throughout the length of the table, the actuator will be placed and they will do the torsional locking. So that's what we call is multi-point fix system.
That's great, sir. What are your plans for the distribution of products and the expectations from the government?
Well, the distribution, this is anyway B2B, and it is for the large project, mid to large projects, and it's for the captive client. And yes, anyway, the government is pushing the tracker as a way forward for solar industry as compared with the fixed steel structures. And the simple reason is that the tracker provides the constant power supply throughout the sunny time. It means from morning early, from 8 o'clock till very late evening, 5 o'clock. And that constant power which is delivered by the tracker makes the grid much more stable and more dependable on the renewable energy.
Any exciting product launches and innovations you have planned for this year?
Yes, this is our exciting product, which is Airawat. It is much more price competitive than before, and at the moment we are the best price compatible as well as the highest technical standard throughout India.
How do you see the Indian solar market and the current pricing, demand and supply trends in the solar market?
It is exciting. Of course, we are at the best time of solar industry in India or internationally. There are really lot more installations executed this year, and of course next year that will be much more in a bigger scale. So all industry players are really excited and thrived to expand further their portfolio.
All the best for your upcoming projects, and thank you for being with us, sir. Thank you.